my do-it-yourself backyard koi pond, goldfish pond. You put goldfish in there. That's what I've done. The blue tarp you see right there was $15 at Walmart. It's the heavy tarp. You want the thick millimeter one. Don't get the thin stuff, get the thick stuff. And dig out your hole, lay your tarp in it, surround your tarp with rocks or whatever you want to do. Those are lilies that I put in there. Those are Louisiana gamecock lilies. They put off a purple and gold flower. I have a pond pump that I got at PetSmart right here. It's electric. Show you this. You want to make sure you get on the screw on this. It has a little screw-on thing on the outlet of the water that you could take off, unscrew and take off and clean all the leaves and stuff like that off of it. You'll be glad that you got that. And some video of the fish. The pond pump was the most expensive part, and it cost me, I think it was $60, and I've had it for about 5 years. And it's really not that deep. You're not going to fall in there and drown. This stick right here is about 1 foot long. And I would say we're about 8 inches deep. That's all it is. Tree frogs live in here as well, so it's a good habitat for them. Got a motion light on it, solar powered. At night time it lights up the water. You could do it yourself. The hardest part was digging the hole. I dug a hole, filled it up with water, because it's red clay here, and let it soften up some, and then dug it out the rest of the way. I took a pick and broke it up and then shoveled it out. I'd say the pond itself is about 8 foot long, 5 foot wide. Very relaxing in the evening time, hearing that water run. There's Wicca. Hey, Wicca. If you want to make your own pond, that's how you do it, folks. See a couple of the big old fat goldfish coming up. Got them at PetSmart. They were little feeder fish. Sorry about that, lightning. There you go. Try to get a clear shot of him. There's about 10 of them in here. Oh yeah, I found this beauty right here at a yard sale. So it's real. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my pond at nighttime. There's that solar light, it's pretty bright. Lights up the lilies real good. See the water coming up from the pump. We're gonna feed the fish. Maybe catch some nighttime eating. Alright, YouTubers watching this. This is what my pond looks like at night. True treasure. Really pretty. And the deepest is 8 inches. You see that fish just come up there? We got a cat over here. Yeah. Say, hey Calvin. Calvin. That's Calvin. You know what he's hunting for? He's hunting for fish. That's what that solar light does for me. It'll work for 4 or 5 hours. That's plenty of time for me to sit out on the front porch in the evening. There's your Gamecock lilies. River rock all the way around it. And I have a video later showing you the plants that I got growing around it. They haven't come up yet. They're working on it. They're mounds of clovers with pink flowers that grow all the way around the rocks throughout the winter time. Really pretty. These things are easy to do on your own. You ain't got to pay anybody to do it. Do it yourself. A true do-it-yourself project. Something you'll be proud of. And this is my pond at night from the front porch. Really simple, folks. You can do this.